Next we hook the crab pincers. The same is done with a loop stitch, double loops on your finger. Then take it off and pinch it tight. Wrap your pinky and forefinger around the wire. Pinch this coil. Here the crochet hook is inserted into the coil. Hook the line. Wrap the wire and hook out. Pull tight and hook a standing pin. Hook in this coil. 6 short needles. Insert crochet. Wrap the wire and hook out. Drag the wire through the 2 coils in turn. Insert the crochet hook and wrap it out. Drag the wire through the 2 coils in turn. In this way we hook 6 short pins. 3 4 5 Stretch this coil. Let me tidy it up. If you pull on this end, one of the coils will move. We're going to tighten this active coil. Pull until there is no hole. Then pull the end of the wire tight. Insert the crochet hook into this coil. Now we're done with the first lap, and you can see very clearly that this is 123. 4566 needle purposes. Wheel. The crochet hook is inserted into the first stitch. Press the thread up. Wrap the wire and hook out. Hook another lead. Wrap the wire and hook out. Hook a standing pin. This circle is the addition of a short stitch. That's 9 stitches when you're done. In the first stitch we hook a short stitch. The second stitch has 2 short stitches in it. 1. To hook a short needle into the third needle eye. Hook 2 short stitches into the fourth stitch. Inside the fifth eye is a short needle. Inside the sixth eye are 2 short needles. After the hook is finished, draw with the first short needle. Be sure to pull the thread tight when drawing. Straight out. Then hook a standing pin. The third circle is the hook. 9 short needles, 9 short stitches without adding or subtracting. Hook a pin on top of each pin. The first short pin. Second short pin. At the beginning, the first 2 loops of the pin are harder to hook. It'll be much better in the back. The fourth. The fifth. Finish the loop. Finish this one. Follow on drawing. Pull the thread tight. Cut this cord. This is the tongues of the tongues. Then use a crochet hook to pull the thread to the back. Pull back and set aside for later use. Let's hook the crab's big pincers, also. Loop stitch. Pinch the coil and wind the wire. The crochet hook is inserted into the coil to bring the thread out. Tighten the hook with a standing pin. Hook add winding hook out, winding hook out. Hook 6 short pins. 2, 3, 4, 66 short needles, elongate the coil after winding. Tidy up the thread. Pull the end of the wire and one of the coils will move. Then pull the active coil tight. Then insert the crochet hook into the tassel. Pull with D. Then hook a standing pin. The second circle is a pin that hooks a pin by 2 pins. A total of 8 stitches. Hook a short stitch inside the first short stitch. A short stitch is also hooked into the second short stitch. The third short stitch has 2 short stitches in it, a pin that hooks a short pin. Inside the fourth short needle is a short needle. Inside the fifth short pin is a short pin. There are 2 short stitches in the 6 short stitches. 8 short needle hooks. Draw with the first pin. We'll flip it over when we're done. In this case, the drawing needle is not obvious. Do another standing stitch. The third circle is the hook. 10 short needles, add a short stitch every 3 short stitches. 1, 2, 3. Make the addition of a short stitch. Make 2 stitches in this short needle. Then, repeat with 3 more short stitches, hook another short stitch and stitch. Let's flip it over, it's a little easier to hook. That's a total of 10 pins to finish the circle. The fourth circle is make the addition of a short stitch every 4 short stitches. Three, 4. Do a short. The addition of a needle. There are 12 stitches at the end of this loop. Then we draw with the first needle. Pull the pole to make a standing pin. Now it's going to be attached to the little pliers. First make 6 short stitches on the big pliers. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. After the 66 short stitches are finished, hook a reduction stitch of a short stitch. Insert checkout. Insert checkout. Wind the wire one more time and pull through all 3. This completes the reduction of a short stitch. This little pair of pliers. This line right here, you can tie it in a knot. Just stuff it in there. Just grab these little pliers when you're done. With the first stitch, 7 short needles. Because there are gaps between the pliers, first wind the wire around the big pliers. Then, insert it over the little pliers. Wrap another piece of wire around it. Then wind the wire and pull out the 3 coils in turn. It will have a smaller gap. Hook another 6 short pins. 1, 2, 3 actually connects the 7 pins of the small pliers. 4, 5, 6, 7.